according to my map calculations.
What?
My map calculations.
Oh, okay.
The first tree spirit should be very close.
Oh, like right behind us?
Yes. On St. Simon's Island, that is where we are, there is a tree spirit scavenger hunt. There's 11 of them. Just for your views.
How interesting.
Right,
Will this be considered a vlog video?
I don't know. Alright.
I mean, a puppet vlog video.
Alright. Come on.
Okay.
Let's go get this.
It's kind of weird doing the left hand for puppets.
No, it's not.
I mean, like,
I'm left-handed.
yeah, but like, the guy voicing me is right-handed, but he's also holding the camera on the left hand, right hand, so it'll be easier.
Yeah, but just back up so you can get a
Yes.
good shot of this on that beautiful camera.
Okay, so that's the first spirit down. Who's the next spirit? Oh, this one's name is Cora, apparently.
Let's go get the next one.
Yeah. Okay, so how far do you think it is, Mike?
Oh, according to this, it is pretty close.
Okay. Well, then let's go.
We just gotta travel down the road a little bit, do all
Okay.
that. In King's Way.
Okay.
And then right down the street is number 3. And then right down the street and to the left and right is 4 and 5. So, let's go get them.
Okay.
Alright. Number 2 should be,
Very
Right.
close.
yeah, really close. It's
Okay.
right there.
Oh, that.
It's right there.
Okay. That. This.
It's a face.
Yes.
Face. Nothing.
Face.
Face. Your consequences for your actions.
I wonder how long it took to carve that.
Okay. We're 2 minutes away from it starting.
Oh my gosh. Yeah.
Yeah.
What they said. Let's go.
To the next one.
This video is becoming anticlimactic.
Yeah.
It's actually quite boring.
Actually, we could show some of the way of us walking.
Well, yes, but wouldn't that be considered filler?
I don't know. Alright, come on.
Yay! So, how's your day going so far?
Pretty good.
Okay.
I mean, I got shocked really bad at the park.
Yep, that was,
That's in our other video.
that will be uploaded. Hopefully.
And
Maybe.
my finger still kind of hurts.
Yep.
You actually hear it in the video too. But,
Yep.
Alright, come on.
Yep. How long did those people said?
3 minutes.
That, well, that's not that long.
Yeah.
I mean, by car, not that long at all, but by my weak body, it's
My legs already hurt from walking.
my waist.
Look at the map. We walked from number 1 with the green trees. Number 1
Okay,
to
you
number
need
2,
to hold
and now it's
still.
number 3.
You know, hold. I.
Right down there in the red.
Oh.
And 4 and 5. We gotta walk to all of these. Well, we gotta drive to some of them, but
Will this be considered filler? Hopefully
I
not.
don't
Please,
know.
please, no, please.
I mean, you could pause it.
Yeah. I mean, won't that still be filler?
Pausing it?
Oh. I mean, like, on this little segment of the video.
Maybe. Maybe not. Maybe so.
Hopefully not. Is this good camera work?
I guess so. You could pause it now.
Yeah. Okay.
Alright. According to the map, we're here.
We are?
Fine.
Oh,
Right there.
oh nice. Nice, nice, nice. That's not creepy at all. That's it's staring into my soul.
Alright, let me
Ow.
get a picture.
I mean, it's good carving. Alright,
No,
come on.
Yep. And
We have to go down the road some more. For
So,
the next two.
how far is the next one?
Yeah.
How
Number
how
3,
far is the next one?
4 and 5's back the other way.
Dang it.
No, that way.
You think so?
Okay.
Alright, let me put in your address. We're getting
Is this-
away from the vehicle.
Is this considered a vlog? I've already said that in the video.
Huh?
Yeah. Eh.
Alright, so. Yeah, we'll come on.
Yay.
Come on.
Dude. All this walking has made me tired.
I know.
My waist pain.
Alright, get up. Let's go.
Well, okay, it's not really the waist per se. It's
We
like
got
the
to go. Come on.
I am trying to explain, you rude man.
Sorry.
Anyway, as I was saying, it's not really the waist. It's more like the on the sides. So, anywho, how far to the next one? Far away.
Pretty much.
Uh,